Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal over here, guys. Guys, if you have color laser jet printer and printer is printing some dots on the paper, like this is the print splice status page, and this printer is printing blue color dot on the paper. So in your case, if your printer is printing any kind of dots, if it's a red dot or blue dot or yellow dot or black dot, so you have to must know that the problem, if your printer is printing blue color dot, it means cyan cartridge have problem. If it's printing red color dots, then it means that your printer's magenta cartridge have problem. So right now in our printer is printing blue color dots. As you can see, if I will zoom, it's printing blue color dots. Okay, so the issue is with the drum unit of the printer, okay, drum of the cyan tuner. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix the drum unit. Here is we have tuner. We can replace it as well. If you want to replace it. If you want to fix the existing tuner, so today I will teach you how to find the dot. First of all, you have to rotate it with your hand and find something stick on the tuner drum. If you couldn't find anything, it means that the dot is causing from the inner part of the tuner. We will disassemble the tuner now, and I will show you why this printer is printing blue color dot. So if you want to disassemble, you have to open that side to screw with star screwdriver, and carefully don't damage the drum. Okay, here we go. I will disassemble the drum now. Okay, like this way, remove the tuner. So you have to clean the drum completely, and then you will see you have to clean it all. These things are causing the dots on the drum unit, and look, you can see one dot is stick over here. So we will clean it well. Here is the blue color dot that is printing on the paper. We will clean this all roller. What say this roller? PVC? PCR roller. This black roller called PCR roller. Now we will clean with the napkins, paper napkin. We will clean it well, and then we'll fix back again. Clean this PCR roller with tissue paper. Like this. This is a waste tuner. Throw this. Okay, here. The rest of the tuner, clean. This is a blade. Clean the blade well. Okay. The rest of the tuner is inside this part. Okay, there is an existing tuner is on that side, and in that side there is waste tuner. Okay, clean this blade well with the napkin, and then fix back again PCR roller, and yeah, put the drum again, and then fix back again carefully, because the all tuner is in that side. So we will fix back again, same like we disassemble. We will okay, it's fixed back now. Place back the two screws that you just opened a while ago. Then when we will print again, you will not see the blue color dot on the paper. So in your case, if you want to clean this existing tuner, you can clean it like that, just that I mentioned. If you want to buy a new one, a spare one, you can buy a new one. The dots are coming on the paper due to the drum unit mostly. You have to find that which color is dot, is magenta color or cyan or black. Then replace the tuner. And after fix that, you must rotate the tuner that way. You have to rotate it with your both thumbs. If you will not rotate, printer maybe it's gonna jam or gonna stuck. Now just clean it well and fix back again inside. And now if we will give print command, you will not see the blue color dot. Okay, here we go. Now I will turn back on and we will print the test page. We are going to print test page now, and you can see over here, this is the old one that is printing blue color dot. Okay, So right after cleaning the PCR roller and drum roller, now we will see the quality of the paper. So you can see this is the quality. There is a huge difference. This is the existing one and this is the new one. There is no dots. So here we go. If you have any color is printing dots or lines, you have to check first of all drum unit, and if the drum unit is clean, then you have to disassemble the tuner and clean the PCR roller. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. All the best.